Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll be showing you guys a really cool tool called Snort. Snort is basically a intrusion detection system tool where it alerts you when someone is doing any suspicious activity on your network. And you get to define what a suspicious activity would be. For example, if you don't want anybody doing an Nmap scan on your network, you can configure Snort to alert you when someone's doing an Nmap scan on your network, or when someone's pinging, for example, really simple, when someone's pinging your network, or even when someone is accessing ports that you don't want them to access. And I'll just get right into it. So if you don't already have Snort installed on your system, just run the command sudo apt install Snort, and just run the command and you'll pretty much have this installed. I already have this installed, so I won't be running this command. And to start off, I'll be creating a directory called Snort and cd into it. Okay, and then let me just open Wireshark real quick. Because I want to show you guys what a ping will look like. So I'll just be showing you guys how to, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Snort to alert you when someone's, for example, pinging your network. So let me just open Metasploitable 2, ETH1, Control L, and start pinging. Okay. And you guys can see, so it's the source IP. It's coming from a Metasploitable 2 box, and it's pinging my Kali box, and it's using the protocol ICMP. Okay, let me just stop that real quick. Make this a little bigger, and now I'm gonna stop the capture. Save the file, and I'll save it and store it. I'll name it as capture, and then I'll save it as a pcap file. Save, and then I don't need Wireshark anymore. Okay, and to get started with Snort, we should run the command. Create a file named rules. And this will be where we define what a suspicious activity will be, and where we will define what activity would we want Snort to alert us on. And then I'll create a log file, and the log file is basically where all the alerts will go. Okay, and then I'll run this command right here. So what this command is doing is that we're basically initializing Snort using this command. So okay, the -k/9, it's so we don't want sometimes like some issues might occur when if you don't run -k. I won't go into that much detail in what it is, because honestly I don't really know. But and then the -l option, where you will specify the logs, and then the -e option, where you will specify the rules, and then -r is just the file that we just captured on pcap. And now I'll just run this command. There's a dot here. Okay, and I ran the commands just so show you guys what Snort can do. So Snort was analyzing the pcap file I listed over here, the -r pcap file, and it's analyzing that file, and in total it analyzed 37 packets, and 32 of them was ICMP, and that makes sense, right? Because we were pinging our Kali machine with our Metasploitable box, and ping is protocol ICMP, and yeah. Okay, and now I'll get into creating the rules for it. So Let me just vim rules.rules. And then the syntax for writing a rule is actually pretty straightforward. So you would do alert, and then you would do, after alert you would specify the protocol. So it can be TCP, UDP, HTTP, like just different protocols. And by the way, Snort is like it's not case sensitive, so you can even have something like ICMP, and it will still works because Snort is not case sensitive. And so I want to get alerted on ping when I get ping on my network, and then after that, after you specify the protocol, you will specify the source IP address and the source port. And so for this, I'll put any and any. And then after you specify the source port and source IP address, you would use dash sign and then a greater than sign. And after that, you will specify the destination port and the destination IP address. But the first one you will specify will be the destination IP address. So that will be the IP address of my Kali machine. Okay. 136. And then port, I will specify any. And then after that, you would actually specify the message and the SID number. So what is the message and SID number? Basically, the message is it's gonna pop up in your logs. So when you create a rule alert, and when that rules get triggered and you get alerted, you would want like some message to go with it, right? Because you want to know what happened, what triggered this alert, etc. Okay. So to write the message, you would do the command msg, and then I'll say I got ping, and then after that you would put a colon, and then the SID number. So that would be like a unique ID. For example, if you want to search for every time you got ping, you would like specify the number to be 123. So all alert pings will have the SID number 123. And when you try to look for alerts that you got ping, you can also look for the SID number 123. Okay, and then I'll just save this file and I'll just WQ out of it, and then I'll CD and do logs real quick to show you guys something. There's a file here called alert, and right now there's nothing in it. But once I ping my Kali machine again from my Metasploitable toolbox, there's gonna be alerts in that alert file. Okay, let me just stop it, and then now me cat alert again. That didn't quite work. Let me see the rules file. Cat rules. .rules. Alert ICMP any 183.136 any message I got ping SID. Yeah, that should work. CD logs. Let me CD do logs again. CD logs. /out cat alert. Okay. Alert ICMP from any destination, any port to this IP address. I think it's because I have like a, whoops. Wait, why is there nothing when I did, oh. I don't think I need like the, because it's a number, right? I don't need the quotation marks. And then let me just run this again. And then Control L, ls-l, cd logs, ls-l, cat alert. Oh, why is that? Okay, cd logs, cd dot cat rules dot rules. Could it be the snort command I ran before? Dot slash logs dot slash rules dot rules. Let me just run this command again. Snort exiting. No problem there. Let me just ping again. CD logs, ls-l, cat, now I got something. Cat alert, okay. I'm not sure why, but I just have to run that command again. So if you guys see here, so this was the message I specified. I got pinged, and then the 123 was the SID number. And then right here it tells us like the time it happened, where it came from. And let me just show you guys one more thing. Let's create a rule where it will alert us when someone tries to connect to our machine through SSH. So let's just do alert ICMP. Why is this? Okay. SSH any. So we want the protocol to be SSH and 192.168.183.136 / port 22. That's the port of SSH, and MSG would be someone try to SSH, and then the SID number, SID 123, and I think I'll swap this out for TCP. Okay. And now let's do SSH connection refused. UFW sudo UFW status HVDVDV. Let me check my firewall real quick. It is allow from anywhere. So why is it not connection refused? Let me just disable the sudo UFW disable. Okay. Run this command again. Connection refused. Ooh. Let me check the logs though. CD logs ls-l cat alert. Did it alert me on the SSH? Nope. Connection refused. Can I FTP it? Why would it be connection refused? Okay. Why is gaming connection refused? Sudo service SSH status. Okay, how to enable SSH in Linux. Sudo system ctl enable SSH. Okay, let me try that again. Connection refused. Loader disabled. Okay, can I SSH into my I can SSH into my Metasploitable, but I can't SSH into my Kali box. But I mean, I'll just change the rules a little bit. So cd dot that's we're in rules. I'll swap this out to any 192.168.183.136 port 22, and I'll change the message to someone SSH to another network. Okay. Now CD log. Now let's do SSH. Okay. Host verification failed. CD logs. Cat alert. That still didn't work, huh? Why would it not work? Let me count it first. Rules. Alert TCP. Okay, let's try to change the TCP to SSH. Then rules. SSH. WQ. Try again. CD logs, /l, cat alert. Okay, I think I actually have to log in order for that to work, but I mean, I can do something like cd dot. Okay, can I do NC 192.168.136 and 80? Okay, I can do that. Okay, so let me then rules. Switch this into TCP. Any 192.168.183.136. Let's do port 1337. And I'll change the message to elite, if you know what I'm talking about. And then now let's run it. Okay, oops, 1237 cd logs slash out. That does not look good because wait, cat snort.log. Nah. Okay, I'm not sure what went wrong, but basically that's it. I'll probably work on this after I turn on the video. But basically the syntax of the rules is pretty easy. Just alert, and then the protocol, source IP, source port, destination IP, destination IP, destination port, the message of the alert, and the SID number. And sorry for the bug, guys, but I'll fix this after I log off. So thank you guys for watching.